What's up, everybody? It's Coach Martin from Kid Smart, and we're here for today's Actor Challenge. Okay, today we're going to be focusing on creating a scene. Now, in previous lessons, we've had creating a setting, we've had creating a character, and in both of those, we've been dealing with the 3 W's: what, where, and who. Well, we already covered who, and we already covered where, so that just leaves what? What? The what is the conflict, the problem. Every scene is going to have some kind of conflict going on, because without conflict, we have no story. So what does conflict look like? It always starts with one character wanting something. So let's say your character wants a pencil, and that other character has the pencil that you want, but that other character does not want to give you the pencil. Instant conflict. So what does your character do to get that pencil? Your character wants something, and it's your job as an actor to get your character what your character wants, all right? So for this acting challenge, first I need you to get a partner. It'll be cool if you got 2, if you could try this on 2 people, but if you only have one person that you can do it with, it's still fine and very possible. I want you to think of 2 things that you could want from this partner. One could be something that actually belongs to the partner. The other could be something in general that's in the house that your partner can get for you. So today's acting challenge is called the What You Want Challenge. First, I have to teach you about tactics. Tactics are basically what an actor does as the character to get what they want. I'm going to give you 4 examples of tactics that you can use as your character. First example, the sweetness. Now the sweetness is just basically you as a character being as nice as you can be to get what you want. Hey, please have that pencil. I could really use it. Please. And make them feel like they would be just the worst person in the world if they didn't give you that pencil. The next one, the or else tactic. The or else tactic is basically the complete opposite of the sweetness tactic. It's when you get as threatening as you can be and you're hoping to instill fear in the other character. Hoping that you can instill such a fear in their heart that they can't help but say yes to giving you the pencil. Hey, give me the pencil. When you're angry, it's when you're mean, it's when you're threatening.
Hey, give me that pencil if I take your underwear and flush it down the toilet.
Now, it's a 50-50 tactic because being mean doesn't always get what you want, but you never know how people react to fear. Next tactic, the guilt trip. The guilt trip tactic is exactly what it sounds like. You're trying to appear so sad that the other character just can't help but feel for you. I just really need that pencil. Can I please have it? Last up, the Megillah. The Megillah tactic is basically bribery. The Megillah tactic is you promising to do something to get what you want.
Now look, when you give me that pencil, alright? You give me the pencil,
I will wash your car, clean your room, and give you 75 cents.
So those are 4 tactics that you will be needing in this actor challenge. The what you want challenge. So here's what you're going to do. Your partner knows that you're going to need them for an acting scene, alright? You let them know in advance that you're going to be asking them for something. Depending upon how convincing you can be, it's on them whether they want to say yes or no. You have 2 rounds, which is why you had 2 things to ask for. Your partner has 3 times they can tell you no, and you lose. 1 time they can tell you yes. If you get a yes the first time, you win the first round, and then you go to the next and you try a completely different tactic. Anytime your partner says no, you have to switch to a different tactic. Anytime your partner says no, you have to switch to a different tactic. If you're able to get both things you wanted, you win the game. And there are no losers, because at the end of this, you still created a scene. And it would be great if you use the character that you created a few lessons back. Become that character. Use the tactics I gave you between the Megillah, the sweetness, the or else tactic, and the guilt trip. And let's see what happens. And most importantly, have fun, because that's what it's really about. Questions. Did you get what you wanted? What tactic worked best for you? What tactic didn't work too well? So this is Coach Martin with Kid Smart, and that was this week's Actor Challenge. Let's go.